Good afternoon, LC people. Yeah, that's right, it's a full bike. Yesterday afternoon, I had it all down here, wrapped up, all powder coated up. I started work on this bike at 7:30 this morning. Centre stand, yokes, forks, front wheel, back wheel. Obviously, I'd rebuilt the shock. Looks very nice, that does. Very impressed with that. Obviously, in the mudguard first. Mudguard's back end. Wiring loom plastics. Brake light switch, torsion arm. Airbox. Coil. That's all wired up. Loads of nice new goodies going on here. The clocks are absolutely fabulous. New switch gear, new bars. New master cylinder. New rubbers. I've bled up the brakes. I've rebuilt the brakes because they went for powder coating. New pistons, seals, pads, the works. ATL brake lines. So that all bled up very nicely. Indicators, headlight bucket. Everything's wired into this bike. So yeah, I've pulled it out the bag. There's not much really left for me to do. The tank's been dipped. I've got to clean it out with citric acid, fuel test it, then it'll go to the painters Monday with all the bodywork. The barrels have been rebored, 1.5 over. They're still looking at the crank, so my work on this bike has come to near enough a stop. But everything's gone on it. The guy bought a lot of new parts, new, original, genuine Yamaha indicators. They have got all the letters on. New back lens, new back mudguard, numerous parts. But yeah, I've cracked on and I've kicked its backside again. What's left to do? Clutch cable on it, throttle cable on it, motor sort out, paintwork to sort out. Pointless putting the battery box on because all the wires are going to come from the motor and I've got to connect all that stuff up. So that's where Dave's got today. Couldn't tell you where the day went. I never can. I just crack on. But it's all wired up. It's all spliced back in. Yeah, I'm amazed myself I've got this far in the space of 8 hours. 8 hours and yeah, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, very happy about it. I've got to go and pay the powder coater. I didn't pay him yesterday. So I've got to go and sort him out. But I think you'll agree, it's I'm very, very proud of all of them, but I'm especially proud of this one. The guy saved me so much trouble with all the new parts he bought. You know, levers, master cylinder, the lines, the switch gear. The clocks are absolutely beautiful. New ones, everything that you could have wanted to put on. It was an absolute pleasure and a joy to put this bike together today. But yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. I can't wait to see the rest of it come back on it. But, you know, I've got to be careful now. I'm afraid I'll be running out of things to do. Not really. So, Eddie Fife, mate, if you're watching, trust me, mate, this bike will be completed pretty damn quick once Dave gets the paintwork back. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed Dave's progress this week. He has been on overdrive, big time. Thanks for watching anyway. Dilly dilly.